Hello guys, and welcome to Tutorials by Gabriel. Today we're going to be learning how to create a 3D effect using Flash CS4. So first we're going to start off by importing an image. So we're going to go to File, Import, Import to Stage, and you can choose any picture you want. To create a better effect, you can use mountain pictures or pictures of woods, or any type of picture that has something that an object could go behind that. So we're going to change the width. We already know that the scene is 550 times 400, so we're going to change automatically to 550 to 400, and let's center the image. Make sure it's aligned, so you press this to stage button and you press this key and this key that aligns it in the middle. And now what we're going to do is we're going to be creating first a second layer, which we're going to leave it for now, and we're going to be selecting the lasso tool, and we're going to be marking the spot where you want the object to go behind that spot. Oh yeah, but the first thing we have to do is right click and break apart the image. You're going to see how it changed. That means we can edit the image, so that's what we're going to do. And now, yes, with the lasso tool, you mark the object around. I'm going to do it very quick. You can slower if you want more detail. So you mark the whole object you want. You mark it like this. You see how the object changes to gray. That means it's selected. So we're going to press Ctrl C to copy it, and we're going to go to this other layer we created. Make sure you select it. If it's gray, it's selected. It has to be an empty keyframe. And we're going to go over here to Edit and Paste in Place. So right now, if we selection tool, we don't really see anything different. But what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be adding a third layer, which has to be in the middle of both. If it's not in the middle, you can move it around like this, but it has to be in the middle. And we're going to be creating, let's create a red circle right here. It's not that big. And with the selection tool, double click. We're going to be grouping it, so modify group. And we're going to go to frame, let's see. First, let's move it a little bit down. There we go. Frame 60. And the first one and the third one have to be frame, so we're going to click on Insert Frame and Insert Frame. And this middle one has to be a keyframe. So we're going to grab the object and move it to the other side of the mountain. We're going to put it right here in the first layer. Let's put it right there. There we go. And we're going to be creating a classic tween. There we go. So now you see the object disappear because I'm in the middle. But if we press Ctrl Enter to see what we've done, you see the object seems to get out of the mountains. So that's a pretty cool effect. You can also make it if we add a keyframe in the middle. Oh, if you don't want to see a layer, you just press on the I column. You can press this little button, which makes the layer invisible for a second, but it's still there. And we're going to move it, let's see, right down here. And in this keyframe, I'll make it go up a little more. Make this layer visible. And now if we press Ctrl Enter, we can see how the object goes down and then gets out of the mountain. That's pretty cool. And that's about it. So how to make an object go behind another object. So thank you for watching.